Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create stock app promotion posters using custom shape. First of all, we set mobile size canvas. Then we add rounded rectangle shapes, stack them for UI feel. After that, we place chart shapes. Now we color green growth signals. We add CTA shape below. We adjusting padding. Also, we add depth shadows. After that, we check readability. Finally, we export for app ads.